What is going on, my fellow cryptocurrency community? I'm your enthusiastic host, Justin, back at you with another awesome video. Man, it has been a crazy week for my family with the death of a close friend, my wife's friend's dad, and the death of our dog. So there's just been a lot of upheaval and craziness going on. So please forgive me for taking another couple days off to get reoriented, but I'm excited to be back, and I'm carving out time in the mornings to do daily videos for you Monday to Friday. So thank you so much for the support, and I appreciate your likes and comments, and all the love you show this channel over the weeks has been absolutely incredible. With that being said, let's get into it.
Thanks for watching my dad's channel, Crypto Media. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Now guys, there's a lot of exciting news coming out in the altcoin space, and today, there's been speculation saying, are we in alt season? Is it alt season? And I think it very likely is alt season. There's been coins like Elrond that's pumped 21x. There's been VeChain is pumped like 2.3x. There's a lot of exciting altcoin pump and movement in the market. So we're going to go into that. We're going to talk a little bit about XRP, and we're just going to go over some amazing tweets that I've been recording and dialoguing with over the last 24 hours here. So we've got one from Mr. C here, and he says, never forget, the XRP community has been wrong about everything. Everyone in the financial world has been wrong about gold. When do you start to notice a pattern? Trust the process, nothing else matters. Let the others say what they want, they're all wrong. All right. Now, Blockchain Backer here, if you haven't checked out his channel, definitely check him out on YouTube. In the last 48 hours, we have had XRP close above a 200-day moving average, Bitcoin breakout of diagonal 2.5-year resistance, and gold breakout into a new all-time high. The writing is on the wall. If everybody can't see that, we are definitely in amazing times for cryptocurrency. If you're new to this channel, if you're new to cryptocurrency, don't be afraid. It's not too late for you to get in, to start buying. Not financial advice, but it's not too late, guys. You can definitely still get in and make massive profits. From Crypto Bitlord, if you don't 10x your net worth this alt season, you've failed or done something wrong. Now, I want to walk through with you guys as I continue to learn in this alt season. I want you guys to profit along with me. So there's so many ways to make money, but alt season is a great way to strengthen your Ethereum, strengthen your Bitcoin bags, and to make a lot of money on the side with altcoins, and then you can flip it when XRP starts pumping later this year. So that's kind of my plan. I've been buying into Elrond, I've been buying into other coins like that, and that's what I'm planning to do. So here we go. Read.cash has an article saying Ripple XRP may hit $10,000 according to a $1 billion forecast posted on Forbes. Is this not music to our ears, ladies and gentlemen? An American bettor, Stephen Wynn, believes that the price of Ripple can go as high as $10,000 on the market, according to an interview with Forbes magazine. I'm just going to read some of the highlighted parts here, guys. He says, the XRP will be considered an international currency. The famous player explains that the altcoin project may be responsible for such an assessment. In the interview, the billionaire stated that he also invests in other cryptocurrencies in addition to holding XRP. And he says, when predicted that a large adoption of the cryptocurrency will cause the price to be $10,000 in the market. Now, here's a long-term Ripple price forecast. Wynn said that XRP represents an important value transfer system that can be adopted on a massive scale. The billionaire's long-term bet on the XRP price is related to Ripple technology that can be used as a means of payment and transfer of value. By holding the balance for a short period, the investor can make a significant profit from the altcoin price rise. And he says here, and I quote, at least 5 years when I bought the coins, I did it for the long term. As the price increases, I make a profit of certain times, but I don't have the target price to sell everything. And, I do agree that I have a plan. I have an action plan, everybody, to, find exit strategies, maybe like $5 for XRP. Maybe you'll take a little bit out at all-time high. I'm going to take out maybe 5% to cover kind of what I've put into it at the all-time high. Maybe at $10, I'll take a bit more out. I'll take out 10%. But there's a large majority of my portfolio that I'm not going to liquidate, for a very long time, and maybe I won't liquidate it for like 10, 20 years. So, you got to keep your head in the long term forecast. Like, I mean, alt seasons is exciting for the short-term gains, but we have to have our mind set on the long-term value, on the value proposition of what Ripple, what the company, what XRP can accomplish in our lifetimes, in the months and years to come. And I'm talking years, everybody. So don't be worried that the price isn't pumping right now. It is going to rise, and that has to rise with adoption, and it is being adopted fast. We saw in the news this week that, and last week, that banks in the US are now allowed to hold in custody and sell crypto to their customers. So that is absolutely phenomenal news. Because like the banks want to get in on the bacon. They want to get in on the profits that Binance, that Coinbase are making, that Celsius Network. They want to get in on the DeFi space and make money off of it as well, because they're not going to sit on the sidelines when the greatest wealth transfer in history is undergoing right now. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. Are we in the greatest wealth transfer in history? I believe we are. And we're going to get more into some XRP news here with King Solomon. He's got an amazing channel. He just came back on YouTube like a month ago, and he's killing it. Here we go. Anyone else remember the speculation bull run when XRP hit 350 without any utility? There was no XRapid, which is now ODL. There was no MoneyGram. There was no IMF. There was no BIS. There was no CBDC initiatives, that central bank digital currency. There was no Corda settler or node. There was no MoneyTap or Finastra or CFTC. Yeah, that happened. Just trying to provide some scope for all of you. And we need to reinforce this, everybody. I know a lot of people crap on the XRP community for being so hopium-filled, but I believe that we are in one of the greatest digital assets in human history. And there's a lot of other good projects that are competing, and a lot of them will pump, but basically what I'm going to do, guys, when Elrond pumps, when the mainnet launches, I'm going to cash out and put that profit back into XRP. After the next 20, 30 days in this alt season, I believe that I'm going to just take all those profits and put them into XRP and then hold them there and get ready for a very wild ride. I want to get into this from Digital Nomad Investor, great great Twitter page here. So now, what phase do you all think we are in? There's the innovators, there's the early adopters, there's the early majority, then there's the late majority, and then the laggards. So this is from Bryce Ryan and Neil Gross, 1943. Now, this is a timeless psychological pattern, but as you can see, the mass adoption of people takes place late in the early majority, to the late majority game. I believe we are still in the early adopters phase, and I'm talking we are early in the early adopters phase, and that takes up 13.5% of all people who are investors, and they're saying a selective about which technologies they are starting to use. They are considered to be the one to check in with for new information and reduce others' uncertainty about a new technology by adopting it. And then the innovators are risk takers who have the resources and desire to try new things, even if they fail. Now, I think we still may be falling under the innovators phase, everybody. Like, we are so early in the crypto game, in the alt season game. We're so early on, guys, that the 2017 bull market was nothing in compared to what we are shaping up into with this coming bull run. So let me know in the comments, what phase do you think we are in? Are we innovators, or are we early adopters, or are we already too late? Don't believe we are, but, There was a quote from Changpeng Zhao, the CEO of Binance, and I'm not going to play the video too much, but he just says that data shows that it is very much an alt season right now. I'll play a little clip of this. Let me know what you think.
So our data also shows that it is very much a alt season right now. So I think right now, Binance futures, more than 60% of the volume comes from altcoins, which is actually much higher than before. And also, when we look at the top performers for Q2 from March 31st to June 31st, of the 200 coins that's listed on Binance, only 3 went down. So I guess it is very much a altcoin.
So we are very much in an alt season, ladies and gentlemen. And I bet you one of those 3 that went down was probably Bitcoin and probably XRP, which is sad. But don't fret, everybody. Our time will come, and it's going to be glorious. Now, I'm not going to play this video. It was a little bit lame, but alt season 2020 is officially confirmed, rephrasing from Changpeng Zhao, CEO of Binance. Yes, yes, yes. All right. Now, I want to get in because Ethereum really leads the altcoin market. And when we're getting into an alt season, we want to take a look at the price charts for what Ethereum is doing. Now, as you can see here, it has kind of formed a double bottom formation, you can see here. So there's a big bottom in October 2019, or maybe December 2019. And then we are looking at here another bottom here in April to May of 2020. So we've experienced this double bottom formation, and we are just breaking out of that range. So that is very exciting to see. And I believe we have quite a bit of time. I want a little bit more about how long alt season is going to last. If you guys have a good idea, or if any chart analysis are out there, let me know what you guys think. How long is this alt season going to last? I'm thinking September or like late August at least. But let me know in the comments what you guys think. I would love your feedback here. Now here's the great DIY investing Donovan Jolly. And he's saying here, this is right before gold broke its all-time high, everybody. But he said here, gold is leading Bitcoin and silver, is leading Ethereum. With gold nearing an all-time high, I expect fireworks to unfold for Bitcoin and altcoins. Silver is already breaking out of a multi-year bottom with ETH right behind it. This is where the fun starts. Check this out. I'm just going to go over here. So here's gold chart, top left here. Gold is skyrocketing. Bitcoin is below, and you can see, a couple of similarities in these charts. Bitcoin is ready to break out. Silver is just starting to break out of a double bottom here in the last year, double bottom formation. And then Ethereum has definitely had a serious double bottom formation that it is starting to break out of. Other coins that are also breaking out of that double bottom are Cardano here. So another DIY quote from Twitter. ADA is a confirmed breakout of a double bottom formation, which signals the end of the altcoin bear market and a complete reversal of this bearish trend. This is where we start to see real alt season. So this is just July 26th, everybody. So we are, we're only a couple days, I think, honestly, into alt season. This might actually be like day one. I'm not saying alts haven't pumped yet. I'm just saying, if ETH hasn't broken out of that double bottom, then alt season hasn't really started. So we have a lot of time. If you're getting into this space right now, it's not too late. Check out the links in the description of the video, and you can sign up for your first cryptocurrency account. I recommend crypto.com is a great place to start to buy crypto and hold crypto. And this is just the appetizer, guys. The last month or so of gains, there's been 1, 2, 3x, 4x coins like Elron. That's only the appetizer for alt season, everybody. So I hope you're really getting excited. And, you got breaking news is gold is now through its all-time high. For the first time in recorded history, gold is through 1921.40 an ounce in USD terms, which is totally, totally rad. And, yeah, I think that's all I'm going to get into. Here we go. So from Kaleo, Crypto Kaleo, alt season is confirmed. I'm going to blow up this chart here for you guys, just to let you see this. This is the total market cap others calculated by TradingView here. So here's March 2017 here. So that's 2017, and you can kind of see this similar formation. That's kind of vague, but I do see the comparison he's pulling at. I do see that comparison, so it looks like we are headed into a very similar structure breakout here. So it's very exciting. Let me guys know in the comments what you guys think. Are we in alt season? Are we too late? Are we too early? Let me know what you think. Well, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Every like helps with the algorithm, reach more people with my videos, and I really appreciate the love and support. Thanks for welcoming me back, guys. I'm not going anywhere. It's been a little hard week and a hard couple weeks for us, so I'm really excited to get back at it, and I appreciate the love and support. So with that being said, I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.
Thanks for watching my dad's channel, Crypto Media. Be sure to like,